Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. In this video, I'll demonstrate a password-protected door lock system using Arduino. With just a few components, you can secure your space with a simple yet effective locking mechanism. Here's how it works. When you enter the correct password on the keypad, the servo motor will unlock the door. If the password is incorrect, the system will prompt you to try again. Let's go ahead and test it. I'll enter the password we've set, 4466, and confirm it with the tech button. As you can see, the LCD shows access granted, and the servo motor rotates to unlock the door. It stays open for a few seconds before automatically locking again. Now let's try entering a wrong password. If the password is incorrect, the LCD will display wrong password, and the door remains locked. And that's it. A simple yet powerful Arduino project to secure your space. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more DIY electronics and Arduino projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.